Hi guys, welcome to my channel. With the Christmas just around, over the next videos, I'm going to sharing a Christmas theme tutorial. So just make sure to check back this. And today we are going to make this cute Christmas decoration. So let's start. So first, we need to do a 15-1 chain. We do a knot first, like this. And this is the first chain. The second one, we need to do 51 in total. After the 51 chains, and from in the second stitch from a hook, we do 3 single crochet in the same stitch. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, and then yarn over. We should have 2 loops on our hook, and yarn over go through the 2 loops at once. This is a single crochet, and in this stitch we need to do 2 more. Then for the following stitches, we do 3 single crochet in each stitch, just like this. This is the first one, second one, and then the third one. We just repeat it to the end. And we need to do 2 colors. This is the first one, and then we need to do another one. So after finish the last single crochet, we do 1 chain, and then we can snip off. And we will organize those later. So after finish those 2 colors, we need to organize it first. We just twist it like this. Make it like in the circle. For both of them. So after organize them, we need to combine 2 of those parts. We hold the top of them and then make them face to face like this, and then just twist one to another. We just repeat doing it until the end, and then we will have something like this. We just need to snip those ends off and then use the hot glue to glue them like this. And now we are going to make this part. So first we need to do a magic ring, just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over here. In here we do 3 chains first. 1, 2, 3. And then in this circle we need to do 3 double crochet. Yarn over here, put our hook into this hole, and yarn over once again, go through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a double crochet, and we need to make 2 more. After the 3 double crochet, we need to make 3 chains. After the 3 chains, we need to do a slip stitch in this circle. We put our hook in, and in here, we just pull our hook directly. And then we repeat this part. We do 3 chains first. And then in the circle, we do 3 double crochet. And then after the 3 double crochet, we do 3 chains again. And then in this this circle, we do a slip stitch. Pull a hook in and pull a hook directly. We do one chain here and leave an end, then snip it off. We put this part to close this hole. And then we can tie them. And then we just use hot glue to glue all of them, like this. So after glue them, you can add some decoration. So this is about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.